This Fleet Equipment Unscripted interview is presented by Hendrickson, a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty suspension systems and components to the global commercial transportation industry. Visit hendrickson-intl.com to learn more.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, Content Director for Fleet Equipment. Welcome to Fleet Equipment Unscripted. We're at ATA, MC&E. We're at the International Trucks booth. We're going to stop in and learn more about the relaunch of Navistar Financial, what it means to fleet relationships, and how they're working with the OEM as they roll out new equipment. Okay, so the relaunch of Navistar Financial. Can you just tell me what is different in the landscape now as you come in and offer these solutions to your customers?
And when we exited the market in 2010, we entered into an alliance with GE, which became BMO, and it was around our issues in funding. Mm-hmm. So when we came back, we intentionally didn't want to build that same company that we had in 2010. Mm-hmm. We started with a clean sheet of paper, and we're really looking to build the solutions that today's customers are looking for in the market, and today's customer is looking for something different. They're not just looking for the traditional lease and loan option. Yeah. They're looking for a more robust, comprehensive solution that includes other things, and whether those other things are insurance or preventative maintenance or breakdown, they're looking for a more bundled, holistic solution than just a simple loan release.
Nice. So you have the backing of Traton now with Navistar. So what does that bring to the offer?
Well, clearly we have a strong sponsor, right? Navistar on its own was a good offering, but now that we have Traton, we have the strength of the brand behind us. In addition to just the Traton group, which supports Navistar, in 2022 there was also a global finance company that was started by Traton called Navistar Financial Services, and that company is aggregating the captive finance companies of each of the brands. So Scania Finance, Volkswagen Truck and Bus, and MAN will all be represented with Traton Financial, and that's intended to give a strong backbone to the finance companies. And so backbone, think of back office, whether it's funding, credit policies, governance. There will be a strong and cohesive backbone. The front ends will still be very much aligned with the manufacturers. So my sales group will be working closely with international sales, international dealers as we go to market and craft those individual solutions. But we'll have a really strong back office, and it's important today when we think about building a portfolio, but even more important as we start to think about BEV, because the price of those trucks is so much higher, portfolios are going to explode, right? And so when you think about financing a portfolio of ICE, the portfolio of BEV is going to be 4 times. And so how do you have the support of the strong global company that allows you to build those types of portfolios, find the funding solutions, have the right back office to allow us to do that? So it's really a perfect mix of country-specific front office, creating those bundled solutions, with the back office that will give us the capacity to build the size of portfolio we'll need to be successful.
Yeah, well, and you bring up the electric side of things, and so there's more to that goes into that than just buying the truck, right? So how do you work with that and get customers on board with that whole, infrastructure, charging support, the whole thing?
And I like the way you said that, because it really is, we view it as a joint experience with the customer. It is our responsibility, our obligation to make sure that the ecosystem is set up when we sell that battery electric vehicle. Just selling, it's no longer our responsibility just to sell the vehicle. It's to make sure that the vehicle can be successful as it goes out on its routes. So that includes thinking about the capacity for electricity, the charging infrastructure, the route management. And so we're really developing a solution that considers all of those pieces and brings them together in a way that the customer can feel confident in their decision to move to sustainable transportation.
How does this all really impact your relationships with the customers? I mean, not just the battery electric, but also in our current diesel world of bundling in insurance and bundling in maintenance. What does that mean in terms of the relationship and how you work together? It's not just like signing a lease and off I go, right?
It's clearly more consultative. And as we think about how we approach the customer, no one in the Navistar building can say, now I'm just selling a truck, or I'm just selling a warranty, or I'm just selling financing. It's incumbent on all of us to come together and bring that customer a comprehensive solution that fits their needs, right? So it's understanding those needs first and really making sure that we're bringing them everything they need to be successful.
All right, very good. Thanks for taking the time. Appreciate
Sure.
it.
Thank you.